Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is July 10th, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. So what you're going to see here is the futures are soaring and roaring higher today by 26.5 points to 2067 and 3/4 per contract. Tremendous move. You'll see right here at 6 p.m. last night, the market took off to the upside on news that Greece was going to submit their proposal, and it looks like everything the ECB wanted, they got. So it looks like the markets are rejoicing over that. And also last night you had the Shanghai Composite finish up over 4%. So Chinese markets have rebounded a little bit in the last couple of days, and this has given the U.S. markets a big celebration bounce. So again, good move here across the board in the market. But there are a lot of stocks out here that we can play today, and that's always our goal. It's been a great trading week. We're going to look to keep it going. First off the bat, we're going to take a look at CUDA, which is Barracuda Networks. This is a cybersecurity firm. Stock is getting hit pretty sharply today. Mathematically speaking, I have two levels of support. Anywhere around $32.75 to $32.40 is one level. The next level would be $30.20. So keep both levels on the wall on the board here. They can both be bounce levels. You're going to see that this little level down here around $32.25, $32.40, that has held up so far. That is pretty good support from what I could see. So we'll see if Barracuda can get a little bit of a bid here, but it definitely looks to be a decent support level around the $32.40 level. All right, let's turn our attention to Helen of Troy. HELE is the ticker symbol here. You're going to see the stock trading at $91.91. It closed at $97.08 yesterday, so this is a pretty good move lower. I'm showing support around $89 for a scalp bounce. So keep that on the radar, $89 for a scalp bounce. Again, this is a light volume name. It doesn't really trade a million shares a day. If you take a look at the daily chart, on average, it trades around 200, 250,000. So when you see light volume, just understand it can overshoot levels. These are harder stocks to trade. Next up is Zillow. Zillow is trading lower this morning. Stock closed at 85.25. It is now trading at 82.20. It looks like the CFO resigned. I don't know any more than that. Again, you'll have a little bit of minor support around the $80 level. After that, it's really down to around $77.50. So there's not a lot we could do here with Zillow, but it is a popular name. A lot of our traders like to play this equity as well. But right now, stock is under pressure even on a big day. So we'll see how it plays out, and we'll see where it goes once the opening bell rings. Again, if you want to come trade with us, take a 7-day free trial. Come on over to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we do each and every day. Let's take a look at Cablevision, CVC. This stock right now is having a nice little pop, trading at around $26.50, closed at $24.85. This has gotten a lot of takeover chatter as of late. So again, if you own it, trail your stop. If you don't own it, it's already overbought. I would not own it up here. But either way, there is takeover chatter there, so we'll see how it plays out. Budweiser or Anheuser-Busch is in the news now. The stock has gotten a big upgrade. Stock closed at $120.40. Now trading at $126.40. It is overbought on the daily chart, so be careful here. But it is back above all the moving averages, back above in an uptrend. So we want to respect that. Just trail your stop loss. Do not be a buyer up here at these levels. But I wouldn't fade it either. Let's see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. We did mention the Shanghai Composite was up 4.5%. That's going to be good for a lot of Chinese ADRs. One in particular is Kihu. This is catching a nice bid today. This is trading up around $62.92, closed at $60.52. So good little pop there. Another one is Yoku, and YOKU is a ticker symbol there. This is trading at $22.30, closed at $21. So good little pop in the Chinese ADRs. You could watch the other leaders like Baidu. This should do pretty well. Baidu's up nicely, closed at $187.57, trading at $191.19. Alibaba, which is the leader of the pack in my opinion, trading at $81.31, closed at $79.04. So you're seeing a lot of Chinese ADRs really catch good bids, and that is typical. Also, we have a lot of European stocks doing well. Deutsche Bank, Stock is flying high, closed at 30.16. It is now trading at 31.97. So that's almost a $2 pop in DB. And then you have National Bank of Greece. Take a look at this move. Closed at $109.09. Now it is trading at $1.24. That's a pretty big move percentage-wise as well. ING is another. This is trading up decently. Closed at $15.98. Trading at $17.01. And even Sanofi, you can see here, this stock is a European drug maker. But look at the move here. Closed at $48.78. Stock's trading at $51.93, almost $52. So great move there. Sanofi does have some resistance at 52 and then more resistance at 53.27. So keep that on the radar for later. Let's take a look at the gold market today. Gold futures are just down 40 cents. Not a big deal there, but gold has been in a real pickle position lately. It just hasn't been able to get anything going. Even during the Greek debacle and the China debacle, gold really did not do much, and I don't like that pattern when something doesn't react. So again, we're going to keep that on the radar. Crude oil is flat today as well, 52.77 a barrel currently. Let's take a look at the USO, and you'll see that is trading at 17.71, basically right where it closed. So again, no movement in gold and oil today, but we are seeing a lot of movement in stocks, and futures are soaring and roaring. And what else can you say? They're up big, up 27.25 points at the moment. So we'll see how this plays out. It is a Friday. We've had a lot of down Fridays in 2015. But right now, markets are looking fine. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.